Every day, we do things in the same order to help our day go smoothly. We wake up, eat, play, learn, and get ready for bed. These are called routines. Let's see what happens in a day and why routines are so important. Let's start off with our morning routine. Good morning. It's time to wake up and start the day. Let's stretch and sit up. First, we take off our night clothes and get ready for the day. Now, let's wash our face to feel fresh and awake. Let's brush our teeth. This keeps our teeth clean and strong. Next, we brush our hair so it looks nice and neat. Time to put on our clothes. Now, it's breakfast time. A healthy meal gives us the energy to learn and play. Next, we pick up our book bag. Then we grab our lunchbox. We're all set for school. Now it's time to go over our school routine. At school, we do many things every day. We play, learn, eat, and rest. Let's see what a school day looks like. First, we arrive at school and put our things away. Now it's time for free play. After playing, we clean up. Now, we wash our hands. Now it's breakfast time. Next, we have circle time. We sing songs, talk about the day, and listen to our teacher. Now it's activity time. We might do art, puzzles, or learning games. After working hard, it's time for a morning snack. Now, we play inside again. We can build, read, or play with friends. When playtime is over, we clean up. We take a bathroom break. Now we get ready to go outside. Outside play is so much fun. We can run, climb, and explore. After playing, we come inside to wash our hands and eat lunch. Eating lunch helps us grow strong. Next, it's story time. Let's listen and relax. Next, it's rest time. A little quiet time helps us feel refreshed for the afternoon. After resting, we use the bathroom, wash our hands, and eat an afternoon snack. Then, it's time for more outside play. We run, jump, and have fun with friends. Now the day is over. We grab our things and go home. What a great day at school! When we get home from school, we start our evening routine. First, we do our homework. Now, we have some time to relax and watch TV or play. Next, it's time for dinner. Eating a healthy meal keeps us strong. After dinner, we brush our teeth and take a bath to get clean and ready for bed. Now, we put on our pajamas. Pajamas help us feel cozy and comfortable. Finally, it's time for bed. Good night! Everyone has a daily routine, but it might look a little different for each person. Now, let's think about some questions. Listen carefully and see what your answer would be. What time do you wake up in the morning? How do you know it's time to wake up? What is your morning routine? What do you do after waking up? What are some things you do before going to bed? We do so many things every day. Routines help us move from one part of the day to the next. When we follow our routines, everything runs smoothly, and we always know what to do next. Great job following your daily routine.
Subscribe to Twinkl Teaching Resources USA for more It's Easy with Twinkl videos.